This video clip is about calculus with applications in the real world, and today we will talk about applications of exponential function with two topics: simple interest and compound interest. First of all, we will take a brief overview on the exponential function. An exponential function with base is defined as fs equal to a to the s with a is more than 0 and a is different from 1. Very familiar to you, right? Because we used to practice with this function a lot from the high school, and next we will move to an application of this function. We call it the formula to calculate simple interest. The simple interest is the amount of money that you pay to the bank if you make a loan from it, or it is the amount that you will receive once you save your money in the bank. And the formula to calculate the simple interest is I equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T, which I is the simple interest. P is the principal, it is the amount that you borrow from the bank or the amount that you invest in the bank. R the rate of interest, which the unit is percent per year, and T is the time measured as years. Let me give you an example on simple interest. You have 10 million VND and you decide to put it in the bank with the interest rate is 10% per year. So after 1 year, how much is your interest? And how much is your total amount on deposit? And here is the solution. Your interest after 1 year will be I equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T, and you replace your numbers 10 million VND multiplied by and 1 year, so the result will be 1 million VND. How about the total amount on deposits? You take I plus P and replace the number 1 million VND plus 10 million VND, and the final result will be 11 million VND. So next we will move on the application for exponential function. But first I will give you an example. Suppose that you have an initial investment of $100 and the current interest rate is 6% per year. So what is your interest after the first year? Using the simple interest formula, you will find that interest after your first year will be initial investment multiplied by interest rate, and you replace the numbers. That will be $6 after the first year. So what if you keep this balance in the bank for the second year? The second year interest will be $100. It is your initial investment plus the interest after the first year, and then multiply by the interest rate, and you will have $6.36. This is your interest after the second year. You will see that this interest is larger than the first year interest. It is because the interest is not only your initial investments but on your interest after the first year too. So this earning interest on interest, we call this compound interest. It is our next application of the exponential function. And next we will move on the general formula for compound amount. We will have the formula as follows. After t years, you will have the compound amount equal to p multiplied by 1 plus r to the t. So this is the end of our lesson. Hopefully that this video clip will be useful for you. If you want to have PowerPoint slide, please log on our link. My name is Nguyễn Tuấn Long. Thank you for your watching.